In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an itinerary template in Google Sheets using Claude AI. Whether you're planning a quick weekend escape or a month-long adventure, a well-organized itinerary is key to a smooth journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a customizable template that outlines every essential travel detail, making sure your trip is as stress-free as possible. So, let's dive in and get started. First up, you'll want to open Claude. If you're not familiar, Claude is an AI tool that can help streamline this process. Once Claude is up and running, you can give it a specific prompt to create the template. A good example of a prompt would be, create a simple travel itinerary template for Google Sheets. Include columns for date, day, time, location, activity, transportation, booking or confirmation number, cost, notes, and contact information. Make it beginner-friendly and easy to copy into Google Sheets. This instruction provides Claude with a clear roadmap for generating the structure of your itinerary. With your request sent to Claude, it'll quickly get to work and produce a basic outline for you. Once Claude has provided the template, the next step is to format it as a table. Ask Claude to give you this in a clear, organized manner. For instance, the layout might resemble something like this. You'll see columns such as date, day, time, location, activity, transportation, booking or confirmation number, cost, and notes. These categories cover everything from your daily schedule to logistical details and reminders. To illustrate, it might show an itinerary for a day in Delhi, starting with a city tour by metro in the morning, followed by lunch and a trip to a museum via taxi. Each activity is marked with time, potential costs, and pertinent notes like start early or bring ID. Now that you have your table, it's time to transfer it into Google Sheets. Open up Google Sheets and start a blank spreadsheet. In this new document, you'll need to create headings for your columns in the first row. Make sure each cell in row 1 contains the header titles: date, day, time, location, activity, transportation, booking, cost, and notes. This step sets up the framework for the rest of your itinerary entries. Once your headings are set up, go back to the table provided by Claude. Simply copy the entire table and then navigate to your Google Sheets document where you'll paste it right below the headings. Google Sheets should automatically parse the information into individual cells under the corresponding columns. By following these steps, you'll end up with a neatly organized and comprehensive itinerary ready to edit and personalize for any trip. Whether you plan to use this template for business or leisure, it'll save you time and help ensure you're fully prepared for what lies ahead. Enjoy your travels and happy planning!